It's about you, what you decide to buy.
Don't buy perfectionism.
Yeah. Hey guys, just a quick disclaimer. Whatever we share in this episode are our opinions, our thoughts, our beliefs, and we can have contradictory thoughts. You can have different sets of opinions, and it's totally okay. Perfectionism has a different definition for everybody. You have different definition for it. I have different definition for it, and people see things according to that vision. So you have to define your perfectionism. For me, it can be being real. I mean, it is being real, not 24 in, I'm talking about fitness, not 24/7 showing that, oh, you are that jagged, muscled body. No, showing that you get body rolls, that you have cellulite, that you have stretch marks. That's what perfect is for me. I don't seek perfectionism in other people, so why should I seek in it myself? When I look at other people, I don't want them to be perfect. I want them to have
They are
flaws.
humans. They are
Yeah.
fucking humans.
Humans are supposed to have flaws, and I wrote this line too. I would love you more with your flaws than I would ever love you perfect.
हाय एवरीथिंग इज एस्थेटिक. मतलब इतना परफेक्शनिज्म सेल हो रहा है कि अगर इंसान 1 मिनट को भी ये सोचता है ना कि भाई मैं थोड़ा शांत बैठ जाऊं, मेरा दिन अच्छा नहीं जा रहा है, आई एम अ मेस ऑल द टाइम, आई शुड स्टॉप. इवन इफ यू सी वन रील of a girl being productive, you will feel bad no matter what. And the main thing that I do after seeing all this is to just stop seeing my phone. I think that's not the solution. The solution is at the back of the mind आपके रहना चाहिए कि everything is not perfect. Behind the scenes क्या होगा? So in beauty industry, we see like we follow like a lot of Asian like Korean culture. So when we see like models being perfect, skinny, and you know their makeup done well, their outfits coordinated, how you feel?
Look at those pictures of those models and actors. I'm like, wow, they're looking so pretty. Nothing within that.
Like need to understand if they are perfect, how they are perfect. They could be done like plastic surgery, then they had makeup on them, and then they have a hairstylist on them, then they have perfect like someone coordinating their outfit, then they have good camera, good lighting, and after all this they edit their pictures.
If you watch those Chinese videos where we're talking about beauty industry, so they have this perfect image, I think. Big eyes. They remove jaw bone and cheekbones for that V shape of face, because that's what perfect in China. Thin lips, very big eyes, very fair skin. And that's what sells there. And girls, I don't know, they would do what, they do shit ton of things to do that. And I was watching this YouTube video in which she was like, I don't know, I think she removed the makeup or something, and
Yeah,
people were commenting that you catfished us and stuff, because she was legit looking like a different person with that skin
I
tone and
think
eyes.
filters are also catfishing
Yeah,
us.
filters. You click your picture on Snapchat. You don't click it like ऐसे ही without filter. You like scroll, and of course filters makes us look better, and we like that. I love that. But I think it ruins the image of you. Like, that's how I look. Not with pink cheeks and pink lips and big eyes. That's not how I look.
परफेक्शनिज्म से क्या होता है ना, जब तुम ये सब चीजें देखते हो तो तुम्हें लगता है कि मेरे में क्या कमी है,
Yeah.
मेरी बिग आईज क्यों नहीं है, मेरे डार्क सर्कल्स क्यों है. एंड बीच में लाइक अ किम कैडाशियन, लाइक दे वांट बट लाइक हर,
Yeah,
एंड
for
देन
fuck's sake.
काइली लिप्स, एंड they are showing all this, they are being perfect so that they could sell their products, they could sell themselves, and they are making fucking ton shit of money. And one thing that I want to say about fitness industry is people get scammed of being perfect. लोग पता नहीं क्या क्या खाते हैं.
They eat supplements. I don't know, there's some powder, I don't know what is it called.
No, you
People
shouldn't
sniff that and they become like 10 times stronger, and they bench and deadlift
है
and
क्या?
stuff. I don't know what drug is it, but it is legit a drug. And people do that, and I think it's legal in US. I don't know. I've seen videos of people doing that खुले में.
एंड पता है ये जो फिटनेस इन्फ्लुएंसर्स होते हैं, इन्हें थोड़ी ट्रांसपेरेंसी रखनी चाहिए. वो जो प्रोडक्ट सेल कर रहे हैं लोगों को, वो जो चीज़ें कर रहे हैं, वो वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं, उनकी बॉडी, देखो तुम्हारी बॉडी परफेक्ट है, यू वर्कड हार्ड फॉर इट, आई गेट इट, एंड यू आर सेलिंग इट एंड यू आर मेकिंग मनी, बट एटलीस्ट यू शुड हैव ट्रांसपेरेंसी.
I think this very much depends on people, the consumers. I used to consume content that had picture perfect women with all the abs, booty, hourglass figure. I used to watch that only. But dheere dheere I started watching that
People have cellulite, they have stretch marks, they do not have toned abs all the time. They legit flex, and they can flex 5 different variations of abs. It is true. And people do that. I do that. I don't do 5 different variations.
I do that.
I don't do 5 different variations, but I don't have abs. But when I flex, I do have them. So it's all a lie. No one has that toned body and muscles all the freaking time. People just pose it. And I have started consuming, like, for the past 1.5 year or one, I have been consuming content that's real about fitness.
Everything is marketed to you the way they want. They
Yeah.
could be evil behind the bars. They are exploiting environment. They're doing ton of shit. We also do it.
It depends a lot on consumers. You have to be real about what you're consuming. People can sell you anything. It's about you, what you decide to buy.
Don't buy perfectionism.
Yeah. So I decided I'm not gonna buy that. I watch videos of women who do makeup, but when they remove it, they show their dark circles, they show their acne, they show that they have very less eyebrows. So when I go to gym, I get a lot of anxiety. Not anymore though. You think that they are perfect for lifting that weight, that their form is perfect, and there are many things. Form ho gaya, weight ho gaya, intensity, rep, whatever. It's a lot. So when you look at them, it's very easy to think that, oh my god, they're so perfect, they can lift so well, that their form is so good. But in reality, if you think about it, actually think about it, they started somewhere. At 1.5 kilograms was a lot for them. So you have to see it as a journey about anything. Like, if you have started doing makeup, you like makeup. So at early stages, you won't know how to do it. You won't know how to blend it well. You won't know which ones suits your face perfectly. But after time, after a lot of practice, after a lot of discipline, consistency and stuff, like, others will look at you and they will think that you have gotten perfect. But for you, there are still milestones to achieve and you won't be perfect even then.
So another industry that we're going to talk about is fashion, because we see fashion influenza, like getting such good clothing, shopping from Zara, H&M and stuff, and you're like, why I can't have all those things? I think we are just trying that you don't have to fall for every single thing, because we do it all the time. Like recently I was seeing this girl on Instagram. She has this reel. So I was watching, like, in real life also, when I see people, when I meet people and they are in perfect shape, their outfit looks good, they look good, and I feel like how they could be this perfect. People eat so much of food but they still don't get bloated or fat, and I'm like, what the fuck, bro?
I think about this, it's a lot about the way you think.
मेरे को ऐसे हो जाता है कि भाई, when I enter Delhi metro or something, when I see girls wearing like amazing shit, I was like, भाई मेरे पास क्यों नहीं है भाई? They're looking so fucking perfect, their hair is in place, they have blow dried it, what to not. And yeah, I think मेरे दिमाग में वैसी इमेज क्रिएट हो चुकी है, मेरे दिमाग में परफेक्शनिज्म सेल हुआ है, हमें पहले से बोलते हुए आ रहे हैं कि कोई भी चीज़ करो परफेक्ट करो वरना मत करो, एंड दैट्स अ ट्रू थिंग. इफ यू डूइंग समथिंग, परफेक्शनिज्म से ज़्यादा क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है इज ट्राइंग 100% in everything.
Yeah, and being real and being smart about the things you do.
And in fashion, I would say don't buy trends until unless it's comfortable for you.
Fuck yes. And trends look good, of course. They are trending. So people go and start buying all that stuff that's trending, and after a month
I think
or so,
this is all about money.
yeah,
At the end also, like,
yeah, after a month or so, the trends go away and you are left with that pile of clothes that you don't even want to wear now. But I have never done this, that I go for trendy clothes and I buy a lot of them and I don't end up liking them. I've never done that.
I think I know this is at the end about money, but तुम्हारे पास कितना भी पैसा हो जाए, you need to see कि तुम क्या खरीद रहे हो. Like, क्योंकि if you are coming from a middle class family, तुम कितने भी अमीर हो जाओ ना, बाद में हम लोग जितने भी अमीर हो जाए, आई थिंक वो माइंड सेट रहेगा कि वी शुड सेव अप, वी शुड डू समथिंग. हमारी क्लास बढ़ जाएगी, हमारी क्वालिटी ऑफ लिविंग बढ़ जाएगी, लाइफ स्टाइल अच्छी हो जाएगी, बट एट द एंड उस टाइम पे भी अलग काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रगल्स रहेंगे.
Yeah, of course.
And now we're gonna talk about the things that we see while we are being productive. I have seen lot of videos and lot of other kind of shit where people are so productive, their life seems so perfect. Like,
When I watch the productivity videos you're talking about, I'm also like, wow, their home is so aesthetic, their life seems perfect. But I think short consumption, so much consumption of short form video content that I just don't pay attention to it after like 2 minutes of watching it. I forget about it. Now doesn't
There was
even-
my phase where I was watching these productive videos so that I could be productive, but at the end I was just दिमाग को ये productive videos देख के समझा रही थी कि हाँ मैं भी कुछ productive कर रही हूँ. So I think there are a lot of behind the scenes in that also.
I mean, it's so annoying. I annoy myself about this a lot too. That I don't know. I have a lot to say, but at the same time, I don't know what words to use. So when we see the productivity videos, we think about like they're studying for 2 hours straight, blah blah blah, fuck. I did that in 12th, okay? But now my attention span has decreased, and I need to accept that and work according to me, not those people who can study for
Who
longer
seems
durations.
perfect.
Yeah.
And आई डोंट नो, मतलब मुझे लगता है प्रोडक्टिविटी ना बहुत डिपेंड करती है कि तुम्हारा मूड कैसा है, तुम कैसे वर्क कर रहे हो. इंस्टेड ऑफ सीइंग अदर्स यू शुड सी योरसेल्फ. एट द एंड व्हेन यू डिफाइन परफेक्शनिज्म यू हैव टू सी इन ऑल POVs. If you're talking about beauty, fitness, these all are industries. Okay, we are good with it. But if you see in relationships, you want to be perfect. You want every moment to be perfect. You want every moment to be captured.
Yeah.
Like nowadays, people are getting crazy. You want everything.
Because you see reels and people have captured everything and they made a reel out of. But you think about it, you're like, oh shit, I didn't capture that. I should have recorded that moment so that I could have also put it into reel. I mean, it's tiring, to be honest, to think
It's-
about this all the time.
And it's tiring, and every moment can't be perfect. Sometimes when I go out with my friends and when I don't have great time, I used to get sad earlier कि why हमारा अच्छा दिन क्यों नहीं गया, क्यों हम मैंने जैसे प्लान आउट किया था वैसे नहीं गया, क्योंकि बहुत टाइम चीज़ें परफेक्ट जाती हैं. बट एट द एंड आई वाज लाइक, ये मेरा एक माइंडसेट बन चुका है कि जब भी मैं अपने दोस्त के साथ रहूंगी तो मेरे को परफेक्ट चीज़ चाहिए. इफ आई एम विद इशिता, आई वांट एवरीथिंग टू बी परफेक्ट एंड अलाइंड. लाइक विद रिकॉर्डिंग ऑल्सो, व्हेन वी रिकॉर्ड वी वांट everything to be perfect and we don't want any hustles and everything. But the reality is that you need to understand at the end nothing can be perfect, not your relationship, not your career. Like people think if they had planned out or written down all their career like things, it will go that way, it would be perfect, it would be perfect at the end. People always dream of being perfect, and there is no doubt you should do it, you should keep pushing yourself, you should work on it. बट यू शुड थ्राइव फॉर परफेक्शनिज्म, बट नॉट दैट वे कि वो तुम्हें डिस्ट्रॉय कर दे. लाइक अगर तुम्हें वो करियर पाथ नहीं मिला तो तुम
कुछ नहीं
करोगे और तुम ऐसे अपने आप को लो सोचने लगो. बिकॉज आई डिड इट, आई वॉन्ट टू बी लाइक ये हो, ओके मेरा कॉलेज हो, ओके मेरे क्लब्स हो, ओके मेरा ये हो. बट व्हेन इट डिडंट गो दैट वे, आई वॉज डिसहार्टेंड. तो आई थिंक आई वॉज प्लीडिंग परफेक्शनिज्म, आई वॉज सीकिंग फॉर इट, आई वॉज सीकिंग कि भाई आई थिंक लोगों को लगता है कि इफ देयर परफेक्ट थिंग्स विल बी ऑल राइट. Like that's the fucking mentality, and I hate those people who seek perfectionism and then they manipulate other people to be perfect like them.
Yeah, I have faced this and it's tiring. As I said earlier, it's tiring to be someone you're not. It's tiring to create something that can never be perfect because people have different perceptions. Even though it's perfect for you, there's gonna be some fucking one who's gonna be like, यहाँ पे ये कमी है.
मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि तुम हमें क्रेडिट लाइक हमें थोड़ा रिव्यूज दो या कुछ दो, बट व्हेन पीपल स्टार्ट मैनिपुलेटिंग यू अकॉर्डिंग टू देमसेल्व्स कि नहीं ये कर अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, इट्स फकिंग इरिटेटिंग. दिस इज वन केस वेयर आई एम गोना टेल यू कि इसमें मैनिपुलेशन भी था बट इट्स वॉज इन अ गुड वे. ठीक है. सो वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड, वी यूज्ड टू डू लाइक ब्लॉग्स टुगेदर, तो शी वॉज लाइक राइट आई इन अ कैपिटल लेटर. शी कीप सेइंग मी, she was like, if you don't write I in capital letter, I'm gonna make you write the whole article again. And that was so annoying at this point. But उसके बाद ना मेरी वो I लिखना ना आदत मेरी एकदम, अब मैं जब भी स्मॉल आई लिखती हूँ मेरे को उसकी चेहरा सामने आ जाता है. इट वॉज काइंड ऑफ शी वॉज मैनिपुलेटिंग मी, बट एट द सेम टाइम शी वॉज डूइंग इट फॉर मी. सो वेन आई डिड इट, इट इम्प्रूव मी इन सम वेज. बट आई थिंक एट द एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट हाउ यू सीक इट. एंड देयर आर सम केसेस लाइक तुम परफेक्शनिज्म सीख करो, कोई मना नहीं कर रहा, बट एटलीस्ट सी, जस्ट कीप पुशिंग योरसेल्फ. हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि तुम भाई काम करने ही छोड़ दो कि नहीं मैं जैसी हूँ वैसी रहूँगी, नहीं भाई, यू शुड वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ, बट एट द एंड यू शुड नो यू आर अ ह्यूमन एंड देयर इज नॉट सच थिंग ऑफ अ perfect human, perfect husband, perfect wife, perfect daughter, perfect family or perfect anything. I think because people are like, oh उनकी family तो कितनी perfect है, हमारी फैमिली में इतने ट्रॉमास क्यों हैं, हमारी फैमिली में इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स क्यों हैं, बट एट द एंड यू नेवर नो व्हाट्स गोइंग बिहाइंड द बार्स एंड द डोर्स. एंड समटाइम्स व्हेन यू सी केसेस कि ओ इनकी फैमिली तो परफेक्ट लगती थी बट अब ये हो गया.
Yeah, so when I wish that, oh, I wish I had that family. So I was saying, when I wish for all that, I remind myself that intentionally I remind myself of the negative things that they have. For example, I wish for someone's family. So I remind myself that they do this that I won't like, they do this that will make me lose my fucking shit. So that's how I'm like, yeah, I'm okay with my family.
I think everyone is different and everyone has different struggles. There's no point in comparing with.
Yeah, and you know, with struggles also, people are like, when you complain, so people say they have stuff worse than you. Like they try to downplay your struggles and problems and issues, everything you're facing, by saying that other people have worse than you. Oh, you have this, but I have this problem.
Yeah, I do this all the time.
You have no right to say that because I have this issue.
नहीं नहीं, ये तो मैं नहीं कहती, but हाँ.
Yeah, I mean, like, downgrading others' problem because you think your problems are worse than them.
वैसे ये
Theirs.
out of context जा रहा है.
Yeah, whatever. But what I wanted to say was, yeah, that's all.
I think at the end, perfectionism is mindset. People who seek for perfectionism are amazing and they build up like large businesses and everything. But at the end, they also have, like, before that perfect business, they have thousands of failures. They have thousands of mistakes that they did, and
I
it's
mean,
okay.
look at us. If you think we are perfect, we did a lot of mistakes.
या पीपल थिंक कि पॉडकास्ट है तो हम हमारे तो लाइव सेट है, अब इसी से पैसे आएंगे. भाई नहीं,
अभी तक पैसा नहीं आया है.
अभी तक पैसा नहीं आया है, एक पैसे नहीं कमाए. वट एवर वी आर डूइंग फ्रॉम आवर फकिंग पॉकेट मनी, ब्रो.
Yeah, bruh. Okay, so I think that's all for this.
For the
yeah.
episode.
Thank you for listening. This was Ishita of 12 AM Fields podcast.
This was Tanya.